Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
I give up, Ruby. I really do. I'm just going to stop talking until I graduate.
Already? We just sat down. What happened today that was so bad?
I tried to talk to my classmate before our history class. I wanted to ask about the homework, but the word just vanished. I stood there like a statue. I think he thought I was angry or maybe just weird. I felt so stupid.
Oh, Jack. I call that the school wall. It happens to almost everyone. You know the words when you're sitting alone in your room, but the second you're in that busy hallway, they disappear.
Exactly. I felt like a little kid who forgot his own name. It's embarrassing because I'm an adult, but I sound like I'm 5.
First of all, take a breath. That feeling of looking childish is the biggest hurdle for every adult learner. It's totally normal to feel frustrated when your brain is 10 steps ahead of your mouth. It doesn't mean you aren't smart. It just means your mouth hasn't caught up to your brain yet.
It's just, why is school talk so hard? It's just school. I know the word for book and teacher.
Well, it's because we use very specific action words in school. For example, tell me exactly what you wanted to say to your friend.
I wanted to say, I didn't do the paper for the teacher, but even as I said it, I knew it sounded wrong.
It's not wrong, but it feels clunky. In a real English-speaking school, we usually hand in an assignment.
Hand in? Like giving my actual hand to the teacher? That sounds painful.
No. Hand in is just a phrasal verb that means to submit or give your work. And we rarely say paper unless it's a long essay. We just say the assignment or the homework.
Oh, I need to hand in my assignment. Actually, that sounds much more professional. I think I just said, I give the book. No wonder he looked confused.
See, you aren't stupid, Jack. You just didn't have the right key for the lock.
Okay, but what about the classes themselves? I told someone today, I am learning history. They gave me a funny look like I told a joke that wasn't funny.
Ah, you fell into the learning trap.
The what? Is that a trap for ninjas?
Not quite. In a school context, we don't usually say learning. We say, I'm taking history, or I have history at 2. Using the word learning makes it sound like a lifelong hobby, not a scheduled class on your calendar.
So, I'm taking history.
Exactly. Or I have a history lecture.
Lecture? Is that when the teacher yells at you? My dad used to give me lectures when I broke a window.
Sometimes it feels like that, but in a university, a lecture is just a big class where the professor talks and you take notes. If it's a smaller class where you talk a lot, we call it a seminar or a lab.
Wow, so many words for just sitting in a room and listening. My brain is getting full.
Let's try one more common mistake. What do you say when you don't go to class?
Oh, I say I lost the class because I wasn't there.
I love that, but no. If you lost the class, we would think you couldn't find the room. If you were sick, you missed class. But if you're being a bit lazy and decide to go get coffee instead, we say you skipped class.
Skipped? Like jumping?
Exactly, like you're jumping right over the classroom and headed to the cafe.
I think I missed class a few times, but I definitely skipped my morning math class last Friday. It was too early.
Now you're sounding like a real student. Okay, here's a hard one. I got my results back yesterday. I wanted to tell my friend I did well, but I didn't want to sound like I'm bragging or being a winner.
That's a delicate one. What did you say? I said, I am the winner of the test.
Oh, Jack, that's adorable, but definitely a bit much. A test isn't really a race.
I knew it. He looked at me like I was crazy.
It's okay. We usually say, I passed or I did well on the exam. If you want to be very casual and show you got a great grade, you can say, I aced it.
I aced it? like a deck of cards.
Exactly. An ace is the best card, so acing a test means getting an A.
I aced it. I like that. It sounds cool, not like a winner of a window breaking contest.
Okay, let's try a simulated school day. I'm your classmate. I'm walking towards you in the hall. Try to ask me about the math work we have to do.
Okay, let me try. Hey, Ruby.
Hey, Jack. How's it going?
Good. Hey, did you hand in the math assignment yet?
Not yet. I'm still working on it. Are you worried about the grade?
A little, but I think I will ace it. I'm taking an extra study session today because I missed the lecture on Monday.
Jack, that was perfect. Not a single statue moment.
Wait, really? It didn't feel like I was translating in my head. It just came out.
Because you used the natural keys. You weren't trying to build a complex sentence from a dictionary. You used the phrases that actually live in a school.
I didn't feel like a little kid that time. I felt like, well, a student.
That's the secret. School conversation isn't about mastering every grammar rule in the book. It's about having the right vocabulary for the right room.
I feel much better. I'm not a winner of the test, but I'm definitely a winner of this conversation.
Close enough, Jack. Close enough.
So what's next? Can we talk about how to complain about the cafeteria food? Because I think "this food is bad" is too simple. I need better words for how terrible the pizza is.
That might need its own video entirely.